So see what is going on now. I want to leave this one here so that we get two sides of the equation. So look at this well. I'm not going to move this. So this man will be going to the left. That's the arrow. Going to the left. 5 also going to the left, right? Now let's go. 3s plus 4 minus 1. Okay, let me bring this x first, right? Okay, yeah, it doesn't really matter. 3s minus 4 plus x. No, that's minus x. Going over there. Minus 5 equals 2s plus 5. That is 2x. You believe? Yeah. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Good. Wow. Now the problem is here. If you don't pay attention to how you arrange your variables here, that will be the problem. I left the number and the roots here. And I carried all the single elements over there. You see, the work is easy. If you carry this one there, I'm not so sure about how you finish your work. Now, I have a root here. It's still disturbing me. I still need to get rid of this root, right? I'll square both sides again. You square as many times as possible, right? So the root disappears. You keep squaring. Square both sides. Now that is 2x minus 2 all squared. Now that is 2x plus 5. Let me put it this way. 2s, no, not this way. 2s plus 5 all squared. Now, this will be a perfect square expansion. Wow. 2s minus 2, 2s minus 2 double up. Now, this 2 squared is 4. Don't forget that when you square a square root, the square root disappears. Agree? That's s plus 5. It is very dangerous to write this because you'll be tempted to think that there's just 4s plus 5 doing expansion down here. You are multiplying a number by an expression. You introduce a bracket. Good. Now, over here, let's look at our perfect square expansion here. Now, 2s by 2s will give me 4x squared. 2s by minus 2 will give me minus 4x. Minus 2 by 2 will give me minus 4x. Minus 2 by minus 2 will give me positive 4 equals, okay, I think equals, let me arrange them here. Please, let me fix them over here. Okay, let's go. So that is, this by this is 4x squared, and this by this is minus 4x. This is also minus 4x, and that is what? 4 equals the right hand side. That is 4x plus 20. Good. Now the equation is undergoing what we call simplification, right? So I have 4x squared minus 8x plus 4 equals 4x plus what? 20. Now 4x squared minus 8x minus 4 plus 4 minus 20. Now 4x and 20 decides to leave the right and relocate to the left. They leave 0 in their position. So that is how come 0 appears in the quadratic equation. We don't force it. You see, they left here, relocated to the left, so we have 0 here. 4x squared minus 8x minus, okay, there's minus 4 plus 8. This will give me 0, right?
No, it has to be minus 4.
Where? Here.
No,
Here. I've left something, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me take this side again. Okay, so 4s squared minus 8s plus 4 equals 4s plus 20. Good. Now, we have 4s squared minus 8x. This one comes here to be minus 4x. Plus 4 already on the left. You are also moving over there, right? To be minus 20. Now, if 4s and 20 decides to relocate to the left, they leave 0 here. So that is how come we have 0 in the equation. Now that's 4x squared minus 8 minus 4 will give you minus 12x. 4 minus 20 will give you minus 16 equals 0. Now, dealing with this quadratic will be cumbersome because of these numbers, this 4 and this constant 16 here. Why don't you try to reduce the number down? So divide through by maybe number 4. So 4, that will give me x squared. 4 will go here, 3x, and that is 4. Wow. It becomes very easy now. So if you are still struggling with quadratic equation, visit our quadratic trinomial videos, decode quadratic trinomials, right? Then you understand it perfectly. So we will solve this. Now, let's solve this. Okay, what is right now? Okay, so after dividing through by 4, we have this. Now there is something we have to deal with. That's a quadratic. So there is a coefficient 1 here. This is a style I normally use for those who don't want to struggle in life. Good, so you can see minus 4. Now look for 2 factors that will multiply. 2 numbers will multiply and get minus 4. But when you add, you get this middle term that is negative 3. Why do we do that? It is a quadratic in 3 terms. We can't group 3 terms. We have to make assumption on the middle term here into 4 terms so that we can group them. Good. So when we check our quadratic videos, this you see it. So you can check that, decode quadratic trinomials. Check that video. We've taken our time to treat this there. Okay, now let's go. So I have minus 4 times 1. That will give me minus 4. That is fine. Let's add them the same way and see whether we will get minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1, that's minus 3. So the factors are minus 4x and 1x. So this is what I'm going to use. Good. So I have x squared minus 4x plus 1x minus 4 equals what? 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 times. I can do my method of grouping from algebra. I factor x out. X, let's go here, 4. 1 out, x minus 1, 4 equals 0. They are the same. Factor 1. Now put the outsiders together, you get this. Now when you have a quadratic equation or expression like this equals 0, what do? Implication. The whole of this is equal to 0. S equals 4. Also, why also? We are done with this, so this is also. Also, x plus 1 equals 0. S equals what? Minus 1. Now I have 2 answers here. I have 4 and I have minus 1. Are they all correct? I can't tell. So I have to check which of them satisfies the equation. It means when I insert 4 into my equation, will I get 1? When I insert minus 1 to the equation, will I get that? Now, when you insert 4 minus 1 to the equation, you will not get 1 on the right hand side. But when you insert 4 into the equation given from the beginning, you remember the equation given from the beginning, right? Oh, that is 3x plus what? Plus 4. This one. Okay. Minus x plus 5 equals what? 1. When we insert minus 1 here, you will not get 1. It means minus 1 does not satisfy. When you insert 4 here, everything, right? That is 4, you get 1. So it means what can satisfy this equation, right? What can satisfy this equation is this. So since x equals 4 satisfies the equation, therefore x equals what? 4. So minus 1 does not. Now that is the end of radical equation under the topic SURDS. Good. Take your time and go through the videos. You can also interact with us at the comment section if you have any trouble. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that. And always remember to turn on the post notification button so you always receive timely uploads. Thank you. And don't forget to do your usual thing. Bye.